Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Sophie Hannah here. I hope you guys are super well and staying safe. Yes, we are back here again, dyeing my hair. And if you guys missed it, I've launched my own semi-permanent hair dye range called Sophie Hannah Hair, and it's available to buy right now. And we are going to be using Peach Punch to dye my freshly bleached roots and freshly cut hair. So if you missed it, I actually got my hair cut into a bit of a French bob with a fringe, which I will style later on and show you guys. But yeah, we're going to be dyeing my hair. So think of this product like a 2-in-1 hair dye and mask, because not only does my hair dye colour your hair amazingly, it's also got so many added benefits. So we've got vitamin B5, coconut oil, hydrolyzed quinoa and rice protein. So this product is going to be dyeing your hair, like colouring it, but also nourishing it, conditioning it, strengthening it, repairing it. And it's just going to make your hair feel and look amazing afterwards. So, full head of Peach Punch. I've never done this before. I actually have never dyed my own hair in a full block colour with Sophie Hannah hair dye before, because I've had to test so many different colour outs at the same time. I've always done like split, ombre, money peas. So we're switching things up, and I thought, you know what, I haven't actually done a full head of a block colour for so long. Let's do it, and let's do Peach Punch because it's such a beaut colour. So guys, I've got my sustainable dye kit from Sophie Hannah Hair. This has been derived from natural straw. It's amazing, and yeah, let's get dyeing.
We break up and you slam the door. I messed up on the bedroom floor. What the hell do we do this for? I push you out but you come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that, 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 we got that. Kiss me and the world disappears. Tell me the things that I wanna hear. I just wanna stay right here. You push me out, but I come back. That attraction, I can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that love, we got that, 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 we got that We got that young love, that young love. We got that young love.
Guys, the dye is on. It's looking really, really cool. I'm excited to see what it looks like when I wash it out and style it. I'm going to leave it on for about an hour. Now, it recommends 20 minutes minimum on the packaging, but I do find the longer you leave it, I mean, the more nourished your hair feels, because it's basically like a 2-in-1 mask, but also I feel like the more vibrant the colour, and also it lasts a bit longer as well, the longer you leave it on. So yeah, gonna soak in this for another hour, and I will be back to show you what my hair looks like, and of course I'll style it and stuff, and just show you the finished look. But yeah, really, really excited to see how this comes out. I don't know if it's going to be completely like block colour, because I have got a little bit of banding from my previous colour, and my roots were a little bit brassy compared to the ends of my hair. So we'll see what it looks like. I mean, you guys know my hair is pretty damaged, so yeah, we shall see how it comes out. Yeah, my hair is so porous as well. So yeah, it's just annoying that this is what me and my hairdresser are trying to work on at the moment, is to get my hair a whole, like really consistent. So every single strand of my hair is blonde and consistent. Whereas at the moment, I've got like a lower process bleach up the top, which is really like strong and healthy. And this bit here is like all damaged and like super white. So yeah, it's kind of like all just a mixed match at the moment. So hopefully it comes out okay. But yeah, I'm excited to see. Guys, this is the finished look. What do we think? I am obsessed. I friggin' love it. It's turned out so cute. I'm loving this like pastel-y, peachy copper vibe with the French blunt bob with my shorter fringe, which actually I'm styling like bangs again, because I just wasn't too keen on the whole fringe thing with my hair being this short. But I really like these like full kind of volume curtain bangs. Really, really nice. And oh my god, I just love the colour. It's turned out so well. Like, considering my hair's quite porous and I've got a lot of banding, it's actually turned out really even. Like, it looks so nice. So I'll insert a picture of what it looked like before in here, so you can kind of just be reminded of what my hair looked like. But yeah, so nice. Obviously, my colour has come out a little bit more coppery because my blonde underneath was quite ashy, and my hairdresser used quite an ashy toner. So it didn't quite turn out like the model from the shoot. So I will pop in a before and after photo of our model who is modelling the Peach Punch, because her hair was like a white kind of yellowy blonde, and that turned out much more true to the colour of the dye, whereas mine was ashy toned underneath, so it's come out a bit more like peachy copper, which I actually really like. It's actually really nice. So yeah, as I said, like, depending on what your base colour is, the actual tone and colour of the dye will differ between each person's hair colour and type and texture. Yeah, you're never guaranteed exactly the Peach Punch tone unless your hair is going to be like a clean white blonde. But I actually really love this colour. Honestly, it's so nice. What do you guys think? I've never ever had my hair this kind of tone. It actually really suits my skin tone. And like, I wear quite a peachy blush anyway and go quite like peachy and golden tones, like to warm up my skin. So I actually love this so much. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But yeah, if you have like ashy kind of hair, this is more the tone that Peach Punch is going to go. But yeah, obsessed. I love it so much. It looks so cute. I'll put links below if you want to shop Peach Punch or the sustainable eco-friendly dye kit. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this look. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We also have Purple Haze and Bubblegum Pink that are available to shop as well, guys, if you want more of a pink or purple hue. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. Peace out.